People often think a sommelier's job is knowing thousands of wines. Grapes, regions, vintages, producers, pairings. The knowledge matters, but it is not the whole job.
The harder part happens before a recommendation is ever made. It happens in the first minute at the table.
A great sommelier is quietly answering questions no one has asked aloud. Is this table celebrating or simply having dinner? Are they nervous about ordering wine? Do they want confidence or adventure?
Do they want the famous bottle they have heard about for years, or the unknown bottle they will remember years from now? The bottle is almost secondary. The experience is what they are selecting.
A couple arrives for an anniversary dinner. They have saved this restaurant for a special night. Then the wine list arrives, and the table gets quieter.
One of them whispers, "I have no idea what any of this means." The sommelier sees the moment, not because they overheard, but because they have seen it hundreds of times.
They sit slightly lower beside the table. No hierarchy, no performance, just a warm question. Tell me about wines you have enjoyed before.
At another table, 6 people sit down for a business dinner. One host is responsible for the room's confidence. Here, originality may not be the point.
The right answer might be a classic producer, an established name, a bottle that reassures everyone before the first sip. Sometimes, the perfect recommendation is the one everyone hoped you would make. Across the room, 4 friends are leaning over the menu. They are already asking questions. They are excited before the wine has arrived.
The sommelier recognizes curiosity immediately. Can I show you something from volcanic soils you have probably never tasted? Now, the bottle is not just a pairing, it is a story.
Then there is the regular. Every Friday, same table, usually the same bottle. But tonight something is quieter.
Would you like your usual, or are you in the mood for something different tonight? It is a tiny question, almost invisible, and deeply human.
A family celebration brings 3 generations to one table. One person wants bold red. Someone else only drinks white. Someone barely drinks wine at all.
The sommelier does not need to impress the table. They need to solve it. Maybe 2 complementary bottles. Maybe sparkling wine to begin. The goal is harmony, not showing off.
The hardest decision is not choosing the wine. It is choosing the experience.
Some guests want the bottle they have dreamed about for years. The famous label arrives, and they smile before tasting it, because recognition is part of the pleasure.
Others want the bottle they will spend years talking about. The label means nothing at first. Then the glass changes the table.
All night, the best sommeliers are observing who is making the decisions, who seems hesitant, who keeps looking at prices, who wants reassurance, who wants a story.
They read pauses, glances, shoulders, silence. They know when to educate and when to disappear.
Late in the evening, the dining room begins to empty. Candles burn lower. Dessert plates linger. Glasses are reset for tomorrow.
The best sommeliers do not just know wine. They know when a guest wants the comfort of a familiar story and when they are ready to begin a new one.
The finest wine service is not measured only by what the sommelier knows. It is measured by how well they understand the people sitting in front of them.